We are all part of nature. From the oxygen we breathe that comes from plants and algae, to the water we drink that falls from the sky, we find joy and calm from hiking in the trees, tending gardens, or taking a few deep breaths of fresh air. And yet, we continue to harm nature, altering and damaging our waterways, landscapes, and atmosphere. Over the next 10 years, the United Nations has committed to tackling these challenges through a global initiative, the Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Restoration of natural ecosystems strives to heal the marks of our human footprint. It has emerged as a hopeful movement around the world as countries commit to halting and reversing destruction. Over the next 10 years, every day counts, every single action. Here in British Columbia, we are blessed with nature that is big, beautiful, and diverse. For thousands of years, Indigenous peoples have cared for and lived in balance with these lands. But modern history changed that, disconnecting people from the land, severing connections to nature, driving fragmentation, conversion, and loss. Communities are pushing back by digging in. Thousands of British Columbians are already engaging in restoration every year. We want to celebrate these efforts and amplify our work across the province. So, from June 5th to 13th, we invite you to launch this historic decade by participating in Make a Difference Week. We're asking communities, organizations, and individuals to get out and engage in a restoration project of your choice. Let's set a pattern of stewardship and environmental care that will carry forward into the next 10 years and beyond. Register your event with us so that we can support your work and bring together our regional movement. Email makeadifferenceweek@gmail.com to join. Let's roll up our sleeves together. The need is great, and the time is now.